Hey family. Well, I know I said I wasn't going back to the crack house, but it's crack.
We got this shit.
Act like you don't understand. You were there. You were there. You were there in the 80s. Look at it.
Let's get it. This that smoke shit. That shit you ride to. Blowing purple clouds, smoking with a bad bitch. That bitch only 5'2". I'm ill, homie, mind you. Why you looking at me like I'm fly for a nigga? But maybe it's because I just provide all these figures. Step back, switch back, before you slide. It's like a getting by kind of nigga. I'm that guy, kind of rose to the leader of this news for your girl. That is true. Now she getting nude in the backseat, chilling with her legs in the air. Now she said she catching feelings like I had that. Where your bag's at? Give me your heart, baby girl, and I'ma drag that. So don't want that. She don't want that. I'm a class act lady, you can walk back. Slow that down. I'll pick that up. Purple truck, quick, tell me loosen up or you can get the fuck. Riding round, lights down low, I'm solo, slow-mo, kicking like a dojo, blowing all this hydro, got my eyes on Marlo. My box top down, let the shit